How to find a bearish shooting star candle pattern. This is how it looks like. They could be both colors. However, a red shooting star at the end of an uptrend would give more accurate indication and signal. Let's take a look on the charts. Shooting star will generally appear at the end of an uptrend. Very easy to find. Small body, big upper wick at the end of an uptrend would be a shooting star. This is initial sign that the buyer's grip control is coming to the end potentially, and sellers might take the control from here and create correction, reversal or full trend change. Euro Aussie daily chart, first example, great rally, up move, at the end of the rally, shooting star, small red candle body, big wick on the upper part of the candle, sellers are taking control from here. Euro New Zealand 4-hour chart, uptrend, empty spike or fake spike, ends with an upper wick, smaller, lower body. You can see also the previous green candle indicates the same thing, and sellers are taking control from here.